Kajingjab badangshan haki election MLA ki balalong haki Tylli ki Jylla kari India kata Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan mat Chhattisgarh kan penlong ka Bharatiya Janata Party bansar haki election MP Lok Sabha arjar arpusaw laong uba AL hek u MLA ka pentorum kra per menteri sarkar haka Jylla Meghalaya. Ulaong ru baka BJP kala keni ya ka Jylla Chhattisgarh bat Rajasthan nakti ka Congress bat penpau bah Meghalaya ru ka parti ka dan bah ya ka lat. Halor ka jingpau kerteng bo nia kon ya ka election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat uba AL hek ulaong. Maka syong ki bor penyat jong ka parti na Padang India.
Seen the recently of the recent election result of 4 states, 3 states the BJP won. So the same way will be carried on for the 2024 MP election. There's no doubt at all. In politics, if we talk about the assembly election, is a different election. If we talk for the national election, people will go for the national party. There is no doubt at all. So this is the choice of the people to see which national party they can give the better development for the state of Meghalaya and also for the country. No, if not farewell also, if you see in few constituencies, we stood second. If you see the vote share of BJP from the last election and now election, it has increasing. So this has shown the confidence of the people with BJP.